Riverbed is the performance company. We are all about trying to improve the performance that IT organizations deliver to their users through the key applications those users are consuming. A user today wants access to data and applications from any device, anywhere in the world, any time of day. And that really is what Riverbed is trying to do. It says that behind the scenes, within the IT organization, we have servers and storage and data centers and clouds and SaaS applications, but the users don't care about that. What the users want is to know that from their laptop, from their phone, from their office, they can get the applications they need, the data they need, and have it be highly available and highly performant any time of the day. We are around 1,800 employees, headquartered here in California, with offices all over the world. Our revenue for the last fiscal year was just over $700 million. With our recently announced acquisition of OpNet, that acquisition which will close in mid-December, we will be roughly a $1 billion company for our revenue. Actually, I had an opportunity to meet, I was in Milan 2 weeks ago and spent an afternoon with our sales team and talked to one of our customers at one of the large power companies there in Italy. I think within the Italian market, clearly the economy has been quite difficult, and the difficulty in the economy does make it more challenging for customers to make big investments. With that said, we are seeing some of the largest organizations in Italy, both government and private sector, looking for ways to be more efficient, looking for ways to grow their business, looking for ways to be more effective. And that really is a theme that we're seeing in the large projects. For Italy, that means fewer projects but bigger projects, as opposed to many smaller implementations that we might see in other countries. The customer I was talking to, again, a power generation company who has power stations with different technologies all over the country, and are looking to make the network between them more efficient. As they move to new ways of generating electricity, as they try and implement more control and more data within their environment, there is more information they need to collect, they need to move back and forth. You also have engineering that you are doing and maintenance that you are doing at your power plants, which requires you to send engineering drawings and specifications, which are very large, from a central office to the site where the work is being done. And so again, this sort of exchange of data between different locations is really what Riverbed's products do so well and help solve the problems we help solve. So when we talk about return on investment, when we start the sales process, the technical people will often get very excited about the capabilities of the product. But before someone actually pays money for it, they want to know what they will get for it. When we look at the ROI of Riverbed products, it depends on the product. For our WAN acceleration products, our Steelhead product, we typically look in terms of reduced cost of bandwidth, because you can have more performance from the network, as well as higher availability. Those would be the two key contributors to return on investment. If you look at a product like Cascade, our management product, there we typically see the ROI coming from faster troubleshooting. When there is a problem, you fix it faster, which reduces your downtime, as well as the ability to avoid downtime because you have better insight, better visibility to your environment. For our Steelhead product, according to IDC, we typically see a return on investment in 8 or 9 months. So the money you spend, you typically have gotten back in savings with 8 or 9 months. On Cascade, the return on investment was 500%, which was very high. But basically, in far less than a year, you will get your money back. Again, primarily by reducing downtime and making your systems more available to your users.
Thank you.